Theta digital currency is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks right now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dispersion in less evolved nations, expensive establishment, and a unified gadget. Likewise, Theta considers the current foundation caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin computer-generated simulation, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC20 coin in light of Ethereum blockchain. Presently it deals with its own mainnet. Theta makes a distributed network that plans to take care of these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as an impetus layer to keep up with the persistent elite exhibition of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with who is behind this undertaking and what the digital money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $0.98, and Theta is by and by position No. 51 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization is $975,784,176.47, with a market cap of 1 billion Theta. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 6.5%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 20.72%, adding a Goliath normal measure of 20 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta Organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta Organization will be $1.54. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.77. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.58. Possible return for capital invested 71.8% by Theta value conjecture for February 2023 in light of the value changes of Theta organization toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.13 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.02 and at $1.16 individually. Likely return for capital invested 12.6% by WAC 2023. Theta organization value figure digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Theta cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.11, while the most extreme could reach $1.22 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around $1.16. It can drop to $1.16 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.28. Possible return on initial capital investment 24.3% by May 2023. Theta organization value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.25 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.33. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.21 in May 2023. Possible return for capital invested 29.1% by Theta value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Theta organization costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $1.27. The most reduced and top Theta rates may be $1.22 and $1.39. Likely return for money invested 35% by July 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.33. In July 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.27. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.44 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested 39.8% by Theta value conjecture for August 2023. Having examined Theta organization costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.49 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $1.32. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Theta organization is almost $1.37. Likely return for money invested 44.7% by September 2023. Theta organization value gauge around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.42. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Theta cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $1.56. Likely return on initial capital investment. 51.5% by Theta value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.42. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.63. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.46. Possible return for money invested. 58.3% by November 2023. Theta organization value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of Theta costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Theta organization will be around $1.69, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.48. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $1.52. Possible return for money invested. 64.1% by Theta value estimate for December 2023 in view of the value variances of Theta organization toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.58 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.54 and at $1.77 individually. The most extreme expected Theta cost might be around $2.66. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.30 in 2024. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.27. Theta organization value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Theta organization and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Theta cost could drop to $4.86, while its most extreme can reach $5.60. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $4.99. Theta organization value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Theta organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Theta costs are normal in 2027, $8.60 and $7.20. By and large, it will be exchanged at $7.40. Theta organization value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Theta organization. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Theta cost will be around $10.75. It could drop to at least $10.38. However, it actually could reach $12.51 all through 2028. Theta organization value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of Theta organization. It is assessed that Theta will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $15.86 and $18.20 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $16.40 during the year. Theta organization value forecast 2030. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the